The Indian cricket is in a very peaceful and calm state after the T20 World Cup win. We have seen that players have been greeted and welcomed warmly wherever they have gone. We have seen the way Hardik Pandya and Jasprit Bumrah were welcomed in their when they reached their home cities. In Gujarat, we have seen Kuldeep Yadav and Mohammad Siraj being felicitated by chief ministers of their states. So quite interesting time for Indian cricket. No controversies for quite a while, but I think Amit Mishra was not quite comfortable with this thing, and he has stirred a controversy with his comments on Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir's feud in IPL 2023. So we all know that there was a significant feud between Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir during the RCB versus LSG match in IPL 2023. The visuals we all remember to this date were signaling that there was quite heated moments between the two, and not just between the two, but between both those teams as such during that time. Uh, and the fans have always been interested in knowing what was the conversation between Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir, or Virat Kohli and Navin Hulak, or Virat Kohli and Kyle Mayers. फैंस को हमेशा से जानना रहा है कि क्या बातचीत हुई थी उन लोगों के बीच, बट we don't know as such what were the conversation, but Amit Mishra has thrown some light on those incidents. He has said that Virat Kohli was primarily the person responsible for those feuds and those banters. I'll read his quote for you first of all, and I quote him. He started abusing our players in the LSG versus RCB match in Lucknow. He didn't have any grudges with Kyle Mayers, but he abused him as well. Navin Hulak was bowling, he would abuse him too. A lot of things would have been avoided, but Kohli chose not to. Amit Mishra has said this thing in an interview, which is getting viral on YouTube as well as on social media. So it is quite clear that Amit Mishra is alleging that Virat Kohli is the person responsible for all those things that happened at that point in time. He has also said that he tried to abuse these younger players in Kyle Mayers and Navin Hulak. Uh, but this is all the things that happened in IPL 2023. If we fast forward the time 1 year to IPL 2024, we saw that Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir were seen in a quite friendly chat, quite a candid chat when RCB faced KKR. Gautam Gambhir had shifted base from LSG to KKR since IPL 2023, and जब 2024 वाले सीजन में ये दोनों बैटर्स मिले, ये दोनों दिल्ली के बल्लेबाज मिले, तो उन लोगों के बीच कुछ बैड ब्लड हो ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था. बोथ सेम टॉकिंग क्वाइट कैजुअली. एंड गौतम गंभीर ने भी एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि जो आईपीएल 2023 के टाइम हुआ वो उसी मोमेंट में था, जो हुआ वो फील्ड पे ही खत्म हो गई थी वो चीज. ही इज नॉट टेकिंग इट फॉरवर्ड in time, and he is not going to hold any grudges around whatever happened in IPL 2023. But Amit Mishra has quite a different view on this thing. He said that विराट कोहली और गौतम गंभीर के बीच जो भी बातचीत हुई, सोशल मीडिया पे अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि सब कुछ ठीक हो गया, एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड आउट. but he says that someone like Navin Hulak was abused by Virat Kohli. He would never respect Virat Kohli again. जबकि हमने देखा है कि विराट कोहली और नवीन हुलक के बीच भी काफी चीजें सॉर्ट हो गई थी 2023 ओडीआई वर्ल्ड कप के टाइम. बट अमित मिश्रा का कहना कुछ अलग है. उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि गौतम गंभीर विराट कोहली के पास चल के गए, उनसे सॉर्ट आउट किया चीजें, उनको पूछा उनके बारे में, उनके फैमिली के बारे में पूछा. वाइल विराट कोहली हु इज अ यंगर प्लेयर टू गौतम गंभीर हु इज अ सीनियर प्लेयर, विराट कोहली गंभीर के पास जाके सॉर्ट आउट करना चाहता, बट उन्होंने ये चीज नहीं की और गंभीर को चल के आना पड़ा विराट कोहली के पास. दिस इज समथिंग व्हाट अमित मिश्रा हैज सेड. But now I want to ask you, as fans, as viewers, do you think that whatever Amit Mishra has said is making sense, or there is no sense to it, and Amit Mishra did not require to make such comments, especially at such a time in Indian cricket when we have just won the World Cup, when Virat Kohli played such an amazing knock in the World Cup final, and he has also announced his retirement from T20 cricket. What do you think about all these comments from Amit Mishra? Do share your views in the comments below and keep watching Cricket Next.